So you want to know how to upload a video. Well, you have to follow some directions and use the right tags, title, description, all that fun stuff. But you probably saw that I said don't watch this video if you read the whole description. Well, there's a reason for that. That's because this video is actually being uploaded during a live stream where we go through how we upload this video, which might actually be happening right now. It's so confusing. We're actually doing that live stream right now, or in the future, or maybe in the past. Either way, I think if you're on our channel, if you scroll down, you'll find it in the past live streams, or click the link in the description of this video once the live stream is over. So yeah, go check it out. Thanks. Oh, and definitely subscribe to our channel because we got a lot more stuff like this and filmmaking tutorials and all kinds of other just stupid videos. Thanks, guys.